What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 11 Retro in the Platinum Tint colorway. These dropped back on October 27th for $220 US or $295 here in Canada. The official colorway for these guys is Platinum Tint, Sail, and University Red. So sometimes a shoe releases and to put it lightly, it's not that well received in the sneaker community. So what do you do if you personally like the shoe and everyone else is saying it's trash? Well, in my case, you still buy it anyways. Case in point, these Platinum Tint Jordan 11s. I've been hearing tons of people trashing on this shoe, but for me, when I first laid eyes on this colorway, I knew that this one was definitely going to be added to my collection. So if you guys do like this shoe, forget what the people are saying, these still are available in select stores, so pick yours up today. So unlike the pull-out style box that most Jordan 11 retros have been coming in, these Jordan 11s though come in this retro Jordan box. We have this black lid with the Jordan branding on the top, and this gray bottom with the size label on the front. Jumping straight into the shoes themselves, so unlike your typical Air Jordan 11 where they're most notably known for featuring patent leather, but in this case, Jordan Brand has ditched the patent leather and replaced it with nubuck. So as you can see, wrapping around the bottom half of the upper, this is entirely constructed out of this off-white colored nubuck. The upper half of the upper is still constructed out of ballistic mesh, and then taking a look at the side panels, we still have these nylon straps that hold the laces in place. Moving towards the back end of the shoe, here we have this small little accent of University Red, which I really like. On the lateral side of the back heel, we have this embroidered red Jumpman, and you'll notice that on either shoe, both the left and the right, the Jumpmen are both facing towards the right. On the upper of the back heel, we have this hit of black textile, and we have the number 23 stamped on in red. So unlike the Space Jam 11s, for example, where the number 45 on that pair was embroidered directly into the shoe, in this case, this is simply just heat pressed. The tongue in this case is also constructed out of ballistic mesh. In the middle, we have this hit of red nylon, and we have the words Jumpman Jordan along with a black Jumpman logo. On the back side of the tongue, this is black, and we have this familiar phrase that reads, "Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever." Overlaid on top of the tongue, we have these thick rope laces in white. Moving on to the inside of the shoe, so the insoles in this case is your standard black colored Jordan insole. On the heel, we have this metallic gold Jumpman as well. So the upper of these Platinum Tint Jordan 11s sits atop this full-length white colored Phylon foam midsole. Incorporated within the midsole itself, we have a full-length Nike Air Sole unit. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Jordan 11 outsole. So first off, we have this carbon fiber plate that's sandwiched between the midsole and the outsole. The outsole itself has this milky translucent finish, and then we have these off-white colored pods on both the forefoot and on the bottom heel. Finishing this all off, we have this red colored Jumpman found right in the center. In terms of sizing, so these fit like all my other Jordan 11 retros, so I'd recommend sticking to your true Jordan size. So for my case, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and I'm almost always a size 10 in my Jordan 11s. So I picked these up in that same size and I have no problems with the fit. Comfort-wise, so one added bonus about having nubuck instead of patent leather is there is absolutely no breaking time now required. The upper feels quite soft right out of the box, so if you're wearing these for casual use, you're probably going to be a fan of the comfort. In terms of a quality standpoint, so while the material is solid, it's not anything exceptional, but from a construction standpoint, there was no glue stains or anything like that. But my only issue was this 23 on the back, they were inconsistently stamped. So one was higher than the other, which is a little minor thing. But for someone like me that likes to keep their shoes in perfect condition, I can't lie, this did bother me a little bit. So with all that being said, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. To me at least, these Platinum Tint Jordan 11s are super clean, super wearable, and they give more of a casual lifestyle vibe to the Jordan 11 than the normal OG colorways. I understand some people that are more purist, they don't like the fact that they took away the patent leather, and I totally respect that. But for me personally, while I do like OG colorways more, I feel like incorporating the swap of material, in this case at least, did work. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Platinum Tint Air Jordan 11s. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram account at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in my next video.